Boom. So we got the money. $10,700, car sold. The engine temperature is kind of high right now. Yeah, so we had no coolant basically, guys. I was driving around with no coolant. YouTube, what's going on? Another day in the life video. What's going on, y'all? Real quick, it's 8:50 in the morning. A customer already came for one of my cars. It's a Ford Explorer. Customer came, he was here. I pulled up at like 8:45. He was already here when I pulled up. He said he didn't want no one else to get the car. But I mean, we'll see if he gets the car or not. It's already in the morning. If we can get a sale before opening time, that'd be lovely. That guy left. He went for a quick test drive. So when he gets back, then we will see what the scoop is. But yeah, we got a lot going on today. It is Friday, so we're going to Jumwa today later around 12 or 1 o'clock or maybe 2 o'clock one. Just depends on what happens today at work. This Nissan Maxima, it's ready. We need to wash it, do inspection, and then take pictures. We need to do all that for this one. This car is my friend's car. That black Chrysler, it has to do an inspection. We need to wash it, take pictures. The Jeep, it needs to, I already washed it, took pictures. We just need to do an inspection on that one. And we have some cars we need to go pick up from the mechanic and the body shop. So we got a lot going on. Let's not waste any time. Let's get straight to it. All right, y'all, the car sold. The customers, they like the car. Got the money right here. Boom. So we got the money. $10,700, car sold. Hopefully the customers enjoy it. Cool people, really cool people that came out from South Carolina. We gotta go do the next order of business. We have to go pick up some cars from the mechanic. We got Jason here today, so we can go do that right now. All right, I got the boy Jason. Next order of business. We are going to the mechanic to go, well, actually it's the body shop. It's the body shop and the mechanic. But we're gonna go pick up an Infiniti Q50 that we got over there. So we're gonna take this Jeep because the Jeep has to pass inspection. So we're gonna drive it, go there, pick up the Q50, and come back. Jason, hold on. We gotta say it to the people, bruh.
Man, everyone stop bidding on the auction, please. I can't win any cars.
This is a complaint. He can't win any cars in the auction. That's crazy. Y'all be bidding too high, man. Bidding too high. All right, boom. We just got the battery. The first time putting it inside the trunk. So there you go. Battery secured. Now we gotta go. All right, we just picked up the battery for the Nissan 350Z. We can't go to get the 350Z. It's at a different mechanic. He's not there yet. So we're gonna pick up Infiniti Q50. That's at another mechanic. So we'll go get that, and then we'll see you guys there. All right, we just pulled up to the shop. The Q50 is right there. I go pick it up and head out. All right, we just picked up the Infiniti from the body guy. Literally just got it out on the road. We're leaving right now. Now I'm gonna go to a bank. I need to deposit the money from the Ford Explorer customer. So I'll deposit that. And after that, we will go back to the shop, see what we gotta do next. All right, y'all, just left the bank. Done deal, deposit the money. This car, the thing I'm in right now, it needs to get washed, it needs to get inspected, and we need to take the pictures. Only a couple hours left before we have to go to Jumwa. So we'll go ahead and try and knock everything out. All right, we made it back to the shop from the mechanic. A lot going on. There's an Infiniti right here. So got the Infiniti, we need to wash, post, do inspection. Well, wash, inspection, then post. And we got the Maxima right here. For this one, we need to go do an inspection, then we need to wash it and then take pictures and post. Just make it look nice and shiny. A nice shiny engine bay, that correlates to the customer that the car is well taken care of. It just makes it look nice. You know, most people's engine bay does not look nice and clean and shiny. Just real quick, nothing crazy. And there you go. That's it for right now. Looks a lot better. We'll show the before. Here's the after. Looks a lot better. And yeah, that's that. And now we go do past inspection for this car, and the car will be ready. That's it. We park it, and that's it. All right, y'all. And the Nissan Maxima, we're about to go do the inspection. Hopefully it passes, but we'll see when we get there. Actually, I don't think I've ever driven this car on the road. Now that I think about it, it's really the first test drive for this car. So let's see. Hopefully it drives good. The engine temperature is kind of high right now. I'm not sure if that's off or what's going on. I'm gonna keep a close eye on it. If it goes like too high, then that's it. I'm gonna have to pull over and see what's going on. All right, it's an emergency. I'm gonna have to pull over. The car got way too hot. It's weird. It keeps going like, now it's in the middle. But literally I was just driving it. It went like all the way almost to the hot part. So I pulled over. There's AutoZone right here, thankfully. I'm gonna go ahead and park it, pop the hood, check everything, make sure we have coolant, and just make sure everything's okay. But you see guys going back up. So let's go ahead and park this car and see what's going on. All right, y'all, I smell antifreeze burning, I think. The overflow coolant is low, so We gotta fill this up. All right, yeah, we got the coolant. Boom, antifreeze. I don't want to pop this open yet because I think it's hot. It feels hot. I don't want it to explode everywhere. So we'll fill up the overflow, and hopefully that should be good enough. We'll see. Oh yeah, I just filled this up, but I guess I have no coolant because now it's all the way down to the bottom. So that's a problem. So we'll go ahead and keep filling this up. I don't want to open this because it's just too hot. All right, boom. So we can use this, try to open it. Hopefully we don't get burned. Okay, well, I definitely over-exaggerated. That's all right. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and fill this up, and we'll see what's next. Yeah, so we had no coolant, basically, guys. I was driving around with no coolant. Like a dummy. And I always tell you guys to check coolant and oil before you drive a car. Look at me. Yo, fill this up. I'm gonna check if there's any leaks underneath the car. Okay, no leaks. So we should be all right. I'll shut this. Now let's go ahead. Hopefully we're safe to drive now. All right, here we go. Hopefully the level stays normal, but we'll see. All right, we just pulled up to inspection spot, about to get inspected. Hopefully we pass. All right, we passed inspection. Now we're heading back to the shop. And then from there, we gotta wash this car, and then we gotta take pictures and post it. And that'll be it for this car. The oil is good, coolant is now full. We got a full tank of gas. Runs and drives good, transmission's good, engine's good. Everything works as it should. So now we'll go back to the shop, clean it, wash it, take pictures. The car is ready for sale. If you guys are interested in learning how to do this process, how to find the cars, how to know how much to bid, how to know how much the car will sell for, how to avoid the cars that are bad, how to get the cars that are good, what cars to get on the auction, how to make sure you're not getting a lemon on the auction. Most of y'all are gonna make that mistake and get a bad car on the auction, and then you say Copar is a scam. Definitely not. So if you want to avoid all those mistakes and get straight to making money, then you can buy the course down below. That comes with 2 months of mentorship in there. I'm gonna hold your hand throughout the entire way, show you exactly what you need to do to be successful in this business. That is linked in the description down below, so make sure to tap into that. All right, yeah, we're heading to Juma right now. It's 12:30, so we're about to go there right now. I'm gonna take this Jeep so we can reset the monitors so we can pass the inspection. Because if the monitors aren't ready, you just have to drive the car until it's ready. So we're gonna drive this car, go, and hopefully when we come back, we can go past inspection. But yeah, let's go. All right, we just pulled up to a mosque. About to go pray Jumu'ah, inshallah. Catch you guys after. All right, we left Jumu'ah. We're on the way to the mechanic right now to pick up the Nissan 350Z. We got the battery in the back. Plug in the battery, and then we should be good to go. I'll show you guys the car when we get there, and yeah. All right, we just pulled up to the mechanic. Here's the Nissan 350Z I was telling y'all about. Here we go. It's a 6-speed, 109,000 miles. You see 6-speed. We got the cold air intake installed. So boom, cold air intake, brand new. Got that installed. The boy Brian, he installed the, what's it called? The exhaust system too. Borla, sheesh. So boom, we got this installed, as y'all can see down below. I haven't turned it on yet, so when we turn it on, we'll see how loud it is. Hopefully it's not crazy loud, but we'll see. And then we got the new battery that Brian's about to install. So once he does all that, and after I install these headlights, we should be good to go. Turn the car on. Hopefully it's good. We'll see though. Headlights installed. Tail lights are installed. Now we gotta put the screws on so they don't fall off when we drive. Dang! That's crazy.
That's gonna be.
All right, boom, we got the tail lights installed, as you can see, and we got the headlights installed. Now I guess it's time to turn on the car. Let's see what's cracking. All right, I'm about to tell the middle on it. All right, there you go. Sounds great, man. Now we should be good to go. I'm gonna rev it a little bit. Alright, yeah, we got the Apple CarPlay. We got the plate on there. We got the bumper on. Hey, can you rev it? Shout out to boy Brian at QCB Customs. Dang, bro. Yo. Alright. That's loud, bro. Jeez. Alright. We out, bruh. Alright, y'all, we got the car. First drive. Let's see what's good with it. This car sounds good, guys. Oh man, this is a nice car. Day in the life. Day in the life. Should we rev it a little bit?
I don't know.
No. We just pulled up to the shop. Boy, Jason right there. 350Z drove nice. This car is fun, guys. This car is real fun. Drove good. Needs some love, but we'll get it fixed. I'll go ahead and open the gate and then park it inside. Alright, YouTube, a lot happened. A customer came for that Nissan Maxima all the way down there. Customer came, test drove, liked it. He said he'll be back tomorrow with the money. Who knows? God knows best if he's coming tomorrow or not. But that's basically a wrap for the day. We got the 350Z. We need to get this car painted. The car runs good, sounds good. This car is good. Hold on, there's a train coming. I don't know how long that train is, so I'm just go. But that 350Z will get painted hopefully soon. We'll get that car ready to go. I might keep that car, to be honest. I really like it, but we'll see. This Infiniti is not ready for inspection. We need to do inspection for this car. Maxima, like I said, customer came, test drove, did all that. We got one more Maxima. Jason went to a car wash. He's getting a car wash right now with that. And when he comes back, that'll be it. That'll be a wrap for the day. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys thought. Catch you in the next video. Peace.